So, OpenArt has just released the brand new Remix feature in Director mode. And honestly, it's incredible.
Everyone saw your ad. It's so good.
Thanks. This one's gonna crush.
Actually, there's just one more thing. We've got 18 products, 4 audiences, and 6 seasonal campaigns.
We'd need new talent.
Different products, new wardrobe, different hooks.
We'd need
a whole new
talent.
production.
Different products.
No.
New wardrobe.
Mike, tell them that's not possible. We don't have the time to do that.
Actually, that's possible with Video Remix in OpenArt Director. Upload any video and remix it into every version you need. Here you go. Easy.
I can't wait to see what you all create with it. You'll find all the links you need in the description below. They're currently running some fantastic deals on their plans, and if you decide to sign up, don't forget to use my discount code that's on screen to save a little extra. Give it a try for yourself, and let me know what you think in the comments.